how many of my clients restored back their hair and regrew their hair from having alopecia areata. And there are 3 steps that they did to get their hair back. And I'm sure you're like, what? Alopecia areata is an autoimmune disorder. So remember that it's an autoimmune disorder, right? So these are the 3 things that my clients did to stop it and change it and reverse and regrow their hair. Number 1 is they changed their lifestyle, their diet. They took out the dairy. I know that's the hardest thing. I love my cheese, guys. They love their cheese. They took out sugar. Oh my God, I love chocolate, right? They also held back on gluten. All the things we love, right? And then they took a step back and cut out a lot of the meat intake that they were taking, especially red meat. That's number 1. Number 2, they stopped putting the chemicals in their hair. They stopped with the relaxers, which you guys see this big class action lawsuit with relaxers and just different chemicals, and just dealt with their natural beauty and their natural hair, and did different protective hairstyles to give their hair the break that it needed in order to restore back their hair. And number 3, the biggest thing that actually brings on the episode is stress. So they found stress techniques to, get them out of those stages where they were noticing as, you're going through some type of trauma, or you may be going through some type of stress, a situation that's very stressful. When they realized that they, instead of getting engulfed in it as we normally do and just think about all the negative scenarios, they found stress relievers, different techniques, whether it was a walk, exercise, whatever the case may be. They did that to take away that stress, right? And then guess what? Their hair started to grow immediately. So that is our alopecia areata. So when you hear women say that, it's like, what are you doing about it? Because you can't change it, right? So if you like the information, the content that I am giving you here on Dear Hair Loss, go ahead and follow me, and I will send you out a training that you will love, especially if you are a new mommy and you're trying to navigate through postpartum hair loss. All right, hit that follow button and stay tuned for the next video that's coming up next. Bye, guys.